Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's video I have some very exciting video. As you've seen from the title, you know what this is. I'm very excited about this. Also, little short thing, please stay tuned to the very end of this video. I have an exciting announcement for my channel. So let's get right into. I have this box from Morphe, and oh, you guys, I'm so excited. I've literally, because it was supposed to be delivered on the 30th, but it got moved up to today. It shipped on the 25th. I'm getting it today. I have been wanting this palette ever since Jeffree announced it, and it's finally here, and I can't wait. So, it's so pink. We don't need her. Oh, stunning. Also, I should mention two things before I continue. I'm sure you guys can tell the lighting in this room is much different now because I changed some light bulbs. The yellow lights are gone, the bright white lights are here, so that's why the lighting of this video looks different. Also, for whatever reason these lights are, it casts a very dark shadow on my face. Because here I have my light on, it's the only way you guys can actually see me as well as I do, because without it, my face looks very dark. I don't understand why, not really sure. So, we have, I'm just putting up my iPhone, and, also, I do want to mention, I do have a quite serious, not too serious, but serious enough sore throat. I'm getting a cold. So if you see me drinking quite a few sips of coffee, that's why. It's been helping soothe the ravaged beast. Okay, so this is the Jeffree Star X Morphe palette, also known as the Jeffree Star Artistry palette. Okay, the grand total for this, which was with J-Star as the discount code, which took 10% off, the palette was $31.50. Tax was $2 something, and shipping was about $5.95. The grand total for this palette, including tax and shipping, was $40.03. So, which is still cheaper than the average Jeffree Star palette, because I know the Jawbreaker palette, which has 24 shades, which is the most shades he's ever done before, that one is $58 on his website. With tax and shipping, it'd probably be like 60-something dollars, almost 70. This one has 30 shades, which, I mean, like, amazing. I'm not going to read it because, that's, it's like a letter to, the fans who actually buy it. Oh, and I love the fact that it comes in this nice bubble wrap. Also, the entire package is like, has this giant, really super thick, bubble wrap on it, which, so glad it does. And it just, now I will say this, I have actually already opened this. I opened this like a few minutes before I started filming because I've been waiting for it all day. I've been checking the door every 30 minutes. I'm actually probably going to keep this and keep it in here just so that way the palette is protected, extremely protected. Considering this is the most expensive eyeshadow palette I've ever bought. The most other expensive, honey, this palette was cute, it was fun, but we're done with it now. Okay. Oh, this palette is gorgeous, and oh my god, the stunning. Very cute, loving that. What I absolutely love about this is you put it on the shadows and it clings to it, which, you know, we love that. This palette. Also, in Jeffree's video, this green shade down here, called Nate, looks actually green. When I saw it in Jeffree's video, and I think it has to do with the lights he has, but it looked more like of an aqua green, not so much as an actual green, because I live for green eyeshadow. Okay. Let's, oh, like, just look at these shades. They're gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, Self-Made is this such a purple, it's like this dark pink color. It's stunning. Oh, like millions. Okay, I'm going to, panties. Okay, now, I will not be doing a first impressions video. That will be next week's video, so stay tuned for that one. But I will be naming off the shades. In the top row, we've got Welcome Back to My Channel Want Noise, which is so cute that he did the first row after, you know, his intro. The second one are Lynn, 1985, Mogul, Self-Made, Dog Mom, and Honest Truth. Third row is Designer Label, Mr. Diva, Boss Angeles, Pink Fleet, Calabasas, and Don't Know Her. Third row is, that was third row, never mind. The fourth row is Rolls With It, Millions, Girl, What's the Tea, Vroom Vroom, and Custom Rims. Oh. And the last row is Glam Rapids, Wake and Bake, Nate, Drive Through, Hi Dude, and Fast Lane. Now, I will say this much about this palette. I love the fact that there is a black shade. I don't really see, because most eyeshadow palettes don't have black. Because most eyeshadow palettes that you can buy, or at least, you know, the ones you can find at Walmart, are very, they're usually, obviously this is more on the luxury side when it comes to palettes. Because most palettes come like it's like, you know, it's divided up. They'll have like kind of like this palette. This is cheap, and I will never be wearing, yet would never use this palette again. I mean, why bother when I've got this? I've been looking forward to this palette so much. Also, sorry, I'm getting distracted. Hold one second. Hate sore throats. Like most palettes that you buy at like the drugstore, they're very divided. Like for like a smoky eye or a really colorful, with what I like most about this palette is you kind of get both. You get, I mean, there's like neutrals in here, there's colorful ones in here. What I love, if there's actually like Hi Dude is like a brown color, which, you know, I live for because, you know, I've got brown eyes, so it'll make my eyes pop. Also, green does that too, so I'm like, the mirror's good. I am sorry that you guys will have to wait to actually see my first impressions until next week. But, you know, I will be, I mean, for me, I'll be able to see instantly because I will be recording these videos back to back. But, yeah, like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, stunning. Loved it. I cannot wait to play with this. So, that is my unboxing. Now for my update. No, it's not about my hair. Although it does look good today. My, my update has to do with this. My webcam. Um, my birthday is on the 13th. I'll be 28 years old, so love that. Actually, I used the money that my dad gave me, because my dad gave me $100, and that's what I used to buy this palette with. Also, this got to me in only 2 days. It shipped on the 25th, and it was delivered today on the 27th, so 2-day shipping. Morphe, I see you, girl. I'm trying to compete with Amazon Prime, and I'm living for it. So, yes. But I'm buying my brother is buying me a new webcam for my birthday present. And I found one on Amazon. I'm dying. I'm gagged over. Because originally I was just gonna buy an upgraded one of the one this one is. But the one that I found far beats the one that I was going to be getting. And it's like $45, $46. And it's, oh my gosh, I'm gagged over this webcam so much. And I will be doing like a review, so trust me, you guys will see an instant difference when I get this new webcam. Now, the one thing I love about it, one, it is a 1080p webcam, so the quality of my videos will be increasing dramatically. Not only that, but this webcam has a built-in ring light. It has a built-in ring light that has 3 different you can like change the lighting to 3 different settings. And I'm just like, oh my god, this is everything. Because obviously I can't spend, you know, a few $100s actually buying a real ring light. But this one is built in. It is built into the webcam, and I'm like shook. Unfortunately, I will not have it until like this time next month, or maybe even a little later. It might actually be the very, very beginning of November. So you have like about a month-ish videos with this webcam. And trust me, you'll be able to tell a huge difference. So with the lighting that is now changed in this room, plus my ring light, you'll be able to see every crevice on my face. Not sure if that's a good thing. I am breaking out, but I think it's because I'm consuming too many carbs. That will be changing. I intend on going on not really keto, but, you know, the closest to keto that I can afford to do right now. So, low carb, because, you know, I just need it. So, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the description. If you out there who have actually bought this palette, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your favorite shade is. Mine is definitely, and that's just by looking at the colors alone. My favorite shades are definitely, this is definitely Nate and Self-Made and Mogul. Gorgeous. I'm not a huge fan of glitter, but Millions is definitely a shade that I can't wait to dip into. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the description. If you'd like to support me and support my channel, you can support me on patreon.com/AmaraIsabella. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Alright, bye guys.